Sorry. Wait, Tyrone. Stop it. I'll do that. Oh, I don't.
And then when I pick you up, I'll go to the room.
Okay. $4.40, I got up to you.
Nevin.
Here we go, guys. The annoying station number. That's my gap. Oh, wow. 6 minutes. Go, go, go. Watch it. 3. 3. All right, let's go. Whoa. I'm just gonna ask this question. Why is this dark? I see the beginning. Two. Alright, 3. Ah! And we can't walk by that side. One minute. Alright. She's coming. And I say here real quick and shoot those 2 trains? Huh? Because you're gonna sit down? Come on. Why are you sitting down for? I'm gonna shoot this too. Gonna shoot this too. I hear it. Michael Carson is dead on the floor. Okay, I see it too. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a train. Nevins 4 minutes for our train. You could probably see. Because I ain't stupid. Still at the middle part right now. Well, you're in the middle part right now. You see what I'm saying? The next 48 in minutes. Look, I'll show you when the train is done. Gone. It's long gone. It says no 4 trains between. That feels. And no 3 stops between. Good. It's a lie. Oh, I was about to say.
Ladies and gentlemen, because of elevator replacement, there is no elevator service at 125th Street on the 4, 5, and 6 lines until October 2016.
Get it.
For a list of
You're saying 2 trains. Wakefield's running for the first.
Or see posters at subway stations.
I know, the words. And 2 Wakefield, and like saying in 2 minutes. Okay. There is no 4 trains stopping at this station. For button green camera to yeah. Okay, I am going to just walk, show you the view. Okay, so the light is green. You can see by the middle, you can see. Hey, wait a minute, I want to shoot this video. I hear it. Wait, I can shoot it here. See that? 3 has an ace of sleeve. Okay, so our train is in 1 minute. And one train was here. What is that? One train. 242nd and 1 and 3. Harlem and 3. Get it? No? Okay. That talks. She's someone at risk because they're scared.
4 trains are not running between
We are here.
and New Life Avenue. Shuttle bus service is
Train is coming.
between Utica Avenue and New Life Avenue. You may
So
transfer
the 4 is working, right? At Bowling Green. Okay, so our train should be coming in 1 minute. Okay, it's coming. See, Mommy, I told you I ain't scared. Train is coming. I should do this right here. Because if I do it more close, you'll probably see it's by the platform edge. It's by the thing. But no, I do not want to hug you. I ain't your friend. Okay, 2's here. Up, down, up, down, up. Up, back, up, back. Up, back, up, down. Alright, yeah, we gotta get a seat.